With Trace's passion for baking
and Trevor's passion for classic cars, we both decided to quit our day jobs and buy a 60-year-old van and convert it into a mobile cake and coffee van.
Please subscribe and follow us on our journey while we trade at markets, fairs and events, alongside our regular pitch at a local farm shop.
And we'll also show you a bit of what we do in between trading.
Is that forward?
Yeah.
Oh, for goodness sake. Good morning.
Here we are again, it's Friday.
It is a bit milder today, hence no hats.
Got the quiff back.
We got the quiff back.
Yeah, it's not too bad, a bit of a breeze, but definitely an improvement from last week.
Yeah, bit of a disappointment. We got roadworks at the road. I just put the sign out and they've dug all the road up. We didn't realise this was going to happen. So we're not sure what effect this will have on trade this weekend, but we'll see.
Yep.
So Trace, what have you been working on this week, apart from the usual things that we have on the cake counter?
I'm just trying to think.
So
we did our
butterscotch.
Oh, I thought you meant at home. Oh, yeah. So this week, sorry.
On the cake counter.
Oh, okay. Well, we got we got butterscotch blondes, which is a new one, and that's got caramelised chocolate in there. It's just a bit like sort of Caramac.
Yeah, Caramac. Remember the
So
Caramac
nice.
bars?
So nice.
Anyone my age will certainly remember
Yeah,
Caramac bars.
Lovely. So we've got that. We've got raspberry bakewell loaf, which I know Trevor has his eye on, because that's one of your favourites, isn't it? Almonds.
It'll all sell out, I know it will. It'll all sell out. So hey, maybe if we have a quiet weekend I can have a bit of that as a consolation prize. How about that?
We could save it.
Yeah.
We did that last week, didn't we?
Yeah.
Because it was so cold and I kept looking at the golden syrup loaf cake, so I did put a bit by, which
You
we
kept
had.
looking at it and you kept looking at it. A little bit like when Hayley has something in the shop.
Yes.
When, we'll talk about that another week, because we've been working on something at home. And anyway, change the subject slightly. And the mocha cake.
Got a big mocha cake.
Mocha
So
cake.
it's a chocolate cake with a mascarpone and vanilla filling and a coffee sort of buttercream, creamy buttercream on the top. Really nice.
And chocolate coffee beans on the top.
Yes, yeah.
That we got from Cardiff,
Yeah.
where our son's moved to now. There's a fantastic indoor market there. Oh, we would die to have a market like that in our town, wouldn't we?
So many brilliant things to on top of cakes and so much choice. So yeah, we just had a lady come in and she bought 3 slices, so it could prove to be popular.
Yeah. Last week we had a few upsets, didn't we?
Yeah, gonna have to do coffee and walnut again very soon.
Sorry, Pam Wilkinson, if you're watching this video.
Sorry.
Extremely sorry.
Cake in it all
Yeah,
before I had time to save any. It was so busy and it went.
We were so busy on that Friday. Literally, people just queued up, didn't they?
Yeah.
And demolished the cake in sort of half an hour or so. The whole lot was gone. But it's good because it just shows you the power of social media. If it wasn't for social media, we all moan about it, but if it wasn't for that, I don't think we wouldn't be able to reach out to people as well as we do. So that's why we keep doing it.
And we sold some marmalade last week. Lots of marmalade.
Yes. Yeah.
That seems to be going down
We've still got plenty of jars left anyway. So we did a big batch.
Batches.
More than double, I think, because it's nice to have a few things on the counter through the year really, rather than just selling out. You know, there's no need to sell out of something that's going to keep for a year. Good morning. At the back as well for
you. It's lovely. That's really, I like how comfortable they are. I can't bear hats that keep falling down into my eyes, and that's what mine does. I'm just constantly moving. Yeah, they go over the eye, or they weave up at the back. Yes.
Isn't he a nice bloke, eh? Very kindly bought us some hand warmers. Thank you, Craig.
At least I could do.
Oh, he's kind, isn't he? What a nice man.
And I'd made that Easter, that mini egg. It's like a mini egg. I can't remember what it was. But there was
You know, when
The robin sets about them.
oh, he does. He'll stand on the bird toe and say, "This is mine."
Wow.
Yeah, he goes for it. It's really good. Yeah.
The one that comes here, he's getting more and more fast, isn't he? He's getting a little bit closer every day now. Yeah, which is lovely.
They're very same. When they go down the allotment, you know.
What do you think of the marshmallows, boys?
Yeah, man.
Nice? You like it, Jack?
Bacon bird makes the best hot coffee in the world.
Oh, thank you, Will.
What do you think, Jack?
Thank you, thanks for coming. That's it, we're all finished up. Oh, yeah. This is the last customer of the day, we're just seeing off now. An old 2CV. You gotta get that gate locked, otherwise people just keep coming in. Right, let's pack up the van and go home. Mind the lights. Oh, I remember that time.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
You can also follow the Baking Bird UK on Facebook and on Instagram.
Side by side and through